Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at the most inspiring body transformation images I've ever seen. These are some of my favorites of all time, very inspirational and represent a lot of hard work and dedication. Leave a comment below with your weight loss goals and click like for these body transformation superstars. Here we go, enjoy the images. Also, if you're interested in losing weight, maybe it's time to get an appetite suppressant. Appetite suppressants really work, and I'll put a link to my favorite below. It's energizing and doesn't make you nauseated. It's called Thynergy, and it gets my personal seal of approval. Thanks for watching.
Hey, my name's Leanne. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.